And you, are you part of the marathon, ultra marathon?
I run. My knees.
Who fixed those?
I would love that. Running is leading.
I teach.
I guess
I
we
work
can talk
here. A lot of second subjects now. We call it. My people call it Gwanga. The Bantu, Zulu call it Isuno Sugaleza, and then of course, Sister Charlie calls it flow state. Okay, and we use it in other countries so you can commune with your ancestors. However, it makes you perform at very high levels. 5 drugs come out when I teach you, but they don't come from the adrenal gland, no, they come from the brain. For this, we check them. Okay? When I teach you to focus on breath structure and movement, I build the foundation and experiences that come. Build the foundation is called the flow state. Trigger the flow state. Position the situation and transition. All you know is to come back to transition. Breath structure and movement. If you get it just right, 5 drugs come out. First one, the mind. It's cannibal. Block off. Second, your brain is third, you must see me do it here. How do you get that statement? Third, offense. Yeah. Painkillers. What's up? Okay? That's what's happening. Like you felt the last one, the second one, this. Oh, sorry. This is the
I'm the minority. Exactly.
How
about you two? Because like he's Hispanic.
Have you ever watched? Okay, guys, so that's what we do. I like the.
You know who?
With you.
Oh, you about to get the crap.
Prices are.
You know who is?
There's also we have rights.
No, that has him. I'm gonna show y'all the
Okay. Basically,
You 3 6 more.
set your time to come twice a week. The rest of the time you come when you want to train. Anytime you want.
show you.
Well, I can take it individually. I want to do all at the same time. No, I like sports together. So that's most of that comes from private individual. I want families. I want families. Well, so that's my.
I have a teenage son. So kids and all that stuff is happening.
No, it's gonna be. I go to other places that will break me. Okay. I just want to talk about
You're supposed to count for yourself.
I want to especially the way you
I have 32 more.
already.
But I've been going way before you guys even started. I did 3 spots.
We are excited about this.
Is that how you hold the hammer?
Well, I was doing today with daddy all the time. Your mother gonna grab. What you? Put it down and stop. Okay. That's good.
He said that. He said, yeah.
Okay. I can tell you. You're not doing what it is. You're not you're tough. Okay, you're not getting scared. You just do it low. I'm getting big and strong. I like it.
Both you two. 72 extra.
What?
Okay, so that's what we do like this. That's when, I want to recommend. I think a night to talk about it. If you want to talk Monday or tomorrow, that's fine. We have an event on Saturday. But we teach again on Sunday. But it's a good time.
All right, that's enough.
We say, if you come, shorts, sweatshirt, towel, lots of water, tons of water. Oh, mouthpiece. Get a mouthpiece. Just get the word. You're not gonna. You'll be on the back, but I'm not gonna give you a job. Eventually, yes, you will. Eventually, you'll be in that ring, and when you master the ring in the match, you'll be in that cage. Okay. Any questions? I'm also on the Mike Allen, and also Dave Monty. They are black belts in Valley Tudo. We have all powers to say I'm training people that's walking like I am. I have 1 year to train. I'm being assistant like that.
Did you say 216?
Plus is a big deal. I'm the 5-time Pan Am champion, and I train second.
Yours is done.
Number 1 and 2. Okay, beat that.
Says 72
This year's
more.
all about
Yeah, and then competition on Saturday.
We're almost done with them,
Put
Joy.
it down.
$20. Beautiful. Dante, can you show them my nasty? Show them my uniform order?
216.
Never mind. Let's see when they come back. Uniform.